Hi, it's Reset, and today I'll show you the fix to app crashing on Fold and Unfold on Motorola Razr 70 Plus. So first go into the settings and then external display, scroll down to app settings. Select the app and click gear next to it. Allow on external display and auto transition. Then go into the apps, see all apps, select your app, storage and cache, and clear cache. Then open your app, and right here when you fold it, you should have the continuity. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one.